Hi, I'm Jennifer and I'm super excited you're here for my video today. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I am so excited to put a Christmas basket together for my friends. I have this cute little tray that has a little wooden crate design on the outside, and I put in some shredded red paper because everything I have today is going to have a red and green theme for Christmas. I'm going to start off by putting the tallest things in the back, and I have this peppermint popcorn. So I'll put this in the back and let it stand up right against the back of the box. Then I have these really delicious little cookies, and of course they match the popcorn bags, so I'll put this right in the center. And then I'm going with my next biggest thing. This is a wonderful Christmas candle. It says Dashing Through the Snow, and it smells so good. I'll put this right in the front center. And then I'm just going to add a couple more things. I have some Christmas M&Ms and regular and peanut, and I'll just lay these right alongside the popcorn. I also have a gift card in this cute little Christmas tin. I'll just put this right in the front corner. I have some Little Debbie Christmas trees. Who doesn't love these? These are in the same color scheme, and I'll just lay these right on top. I have a beautiful ornament. I love to put things in other than food items and candles and gift cards. These things match so nicely together, so I'll put one on each side, as well as a beautiful little pine cone spray painted with silver. Now in the very front, I have this beautiful little Christmas tag that says Merry Christmas. I'll lay this right in the front of the basket, just like this. And I need something to top this great big red candle, so I'm going to add this really pretty red and white Christmas bow right to the top. And here it is, our wonderful, super easy Christmas basket. This literally only took me minutes to put together. My friends will absolutely love this gift basket this holiday season. I know they'll really appreciate having this set out during the holiday season so they can have a snack or two while they're watching Christmas movies, and they can take their gift card and go out to dinner as well. I hope you go out and pick out some things for your family and friends. It's so much nicer than putting it in a regular plain paper gift bag. This way you can personalize it and pick the things they really like and display them nicely in the little basket. And if you want to have something a little more personal, pick out a candle that they would really like or a gift card and put it in a cute container. You can use a cardboard box wrapped with gift wrap or even a little plastic tote or little bin and display everything in there, and it makes such a nice presentation to give to your family and friends when you show up this holiday season. I know they'll really like it and really appreciate it. Thank you so much for being here. I had so much fun putting this video together, and I appreciate you tremendously. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.